Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in Typeform using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the exact marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Next, add your website to SourceLoop and copy its tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using WordPress, you can install a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. Paste the code on top and then click on Save Changes. If you are using any other CMS, SourceLoop has detailed documentation published on its website. You just need to add this code in your global site header setting. Next, we need to open our Typeform and here add a hidden field so that our form can receive the unique SourceLoop visitor ID for the user who is submitting the form. And then we will connect our Typeform with SourceLoop using an incoming webhook so that whenever a new form submission comes in, Typeform can basically send it to SourceLoop and SourceLoop will use that visitor ID to match it with the attribution data that it has already captured for the user. I'll show you how it works. When you have opened your form, simply go to Workflow, then click on Add URI Parameter button. Here, click on Add New Parameter and create a parameter with the name SL_AID. You need to use this exact value in lowercase without any space and then click on Save. Now we'll go to Connect and then navigate to Webhook section. Here we need to configure SourceLoop Webhook. So we'll click on Add a Webhook and then let's go back to SourceLoop and navigate to its setup page. We'll go to Incoming Webhook section and then copy the web form webhook. We will add this URL on Typeform and click on Save Webhook. Let's toggle this on and now we have connected SourceLoop with Typeform. Finally, click on Share and copy your Typeform embed code. If you have already added your Typeform on one of the website, you don't need to follow this step. But if you're doing it for the first time, then simply go to Embed in a web page. I'll choose the standard option and click on View Code and copy this embed code. I have already added this embed code on one of our test website. So let's test this out. What we will do is we will visit our test website using some UTM parameter related to Google Ad. I hit enter and this will take us to our website. Here we will go to Typeform page and then make it as submission. Here we will make it as submission, so I enter my name, email and click on submit. So we have submitted the form. Now let's go back to SourceLoop and navigate to its contact section. Here we can see that it has captured our conversion. If we scroll to the right, we can see it has also captured the UTM parameter for last touch attribution data. If we scroll further, we can see other information such as landing page, click ID, first touch attribution date, geographic date, etc. Next, let's click on Preview and it will show us the entire journey behind the deal. The best part about SourceLoop is it can capture even the attribution data for users who are not visiting your website using some UTM parameter. For instance, let's say someone discover your website through Google organic search, read one of your blog, and then maybe make a form submission. SourceLoop can still capture that conversion and attribute it to organic channel such as Google. You can also visit Dashboard and then here you can see your conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, etc. If you're using any ad platform such as Google Ad, Meta Ad, you can connect your ad platform and then SourceLoop will be able to show the conversion breakdown by exact ad campaign. You can also enable conversion sync so that whenever SourceLoop receives a qualified conversion on your website, it can sync it with the exact marketing campaign that brought that lead. And then ad platform will be able to optimize your campaign based on actual qualified leads data. If you are using any CRM such as HubSpot, Pipedrive and Salesforce, you can connect your CRM platform and then SourceLoop will be able to sync this data back to your CRM tool as well. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.